Igneous rock divides into two groups based on where the rock forms. Igneous rocks also forms beneath the Earth's surface. It forms when magma enters an underground chamber that cools very slowly. Metamorphic rocks form underneath the Earth's surface from change. The results often have ribbon-like layers and have shiny crystals formed by minerals growing over time. Sand minerals and shells and pebbles form sediment rock, and over a long period of time, sediment rock is also very soft and may break or crumble apart easily. The concept of a rock cycle is that rocks are changing from one type from another and back again as forces in them bring them closer to the surface and forces in them bring them back down to Earth. Plate tectonics act like a hard and rigid cell. Also, the driving force behind plate tectonics is convection. The convection drive plates tectonics through a combination of pushing and spreading apart. We can look at rocks and fossils that are in different countries and tell that they were once together on the continents.
As you see in my background, this is broken pieces of the Earth's crust. Subduction zones, convergent margins are examples of this, and this is known as plate boundary. As you see, this is two plates colliding, known as convergent boundary. Locations where lithospheric plates are moving towards one another. Subduction zone and uplift. As you see, two plates collide together. This uplift is the same, but instead of going down, it rises. Mountains and volcanoes are pretty alike. Volcanoes are pretty much vents that go to the center of the earth. Mountains are sealed.
Divergent boundary occurs above rising convection currents. The rising current pushes up on the bottom of the lithosphere, lifting it and flowing it laterally beneath it. Seafloor spreading is a process that occurs at mid-ocean ridges where the new oceanic crust is formed through volcanic activity and then gradually moves away from the ridge. A mid-ocean ridge or mid-oceanic ridge is an underwater mountain range formed by plate tectonics. The fracture zone that forms a transform plate boundary is known as the transform fault. Fault line is a line on a rock surface or the ground that traces a geological fault. San Andreas fault line forms the tectonic boundary between the Pacific plate and the North American plate, and its motion is right lateral strike slip.